Look at these 4 completely different characters doing the exact same dance. It looks complicated, but generating this motion is actually incredibly easy. Let's get right into it. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to use Kling motion control. First, head over to Freepik.com and open Video Generator. Next, click Browse Templates and select Motion Control. You will see a variety of templates to choose from. For this example, I'm going to select Make Character Dance. Once the template loads, switch your model to Kling 3.0 motion control. Next, swap out the template's character image for your own. Now, look at the prompt template. Match the reference dance exactly, timing and moves, while keeping the new character unchanged in appearance, outfit and identity. Keep this prompt exactly as it is. It is optimized to maintain your character consistency. Before we generate, set your resolution to 180p. This is the most important part. The scene source. You have 2 options here, using the character image as source or the motion video background. I'm going to select video. I'm going to run this generation using the video source. Let's hit generate and take a look at the results. As you can see, the AI copied the original dance move perfectly. Now, if you don't already have a custom character to use for this, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to generate one from scratch. But how do you actually come up with a character concept like a dancing pirate in the first place? It is actually incredibly simple. Go to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs and search for Nano Banana AI image generator. Click the very first result and start a chat. Next, I simply asked the AI to give me 7 completely different male character themes. It generated a great list of options and I chose the pirate captain. I copied that idea and asked GPT to turn it into an image prompt and I copied the final text. Next, I took the prompt over to Google's Flow. I pasted it and generated my initial image. My first image wasn't quite there, so I used Flow's editing tools. I prompted it to make it a full body shot in front of a wall. I played around with the background, removed the distracting object and tweaked it until I got exactly what I needed. Once I had this clean, full body shot, my character was complete. I took this exact image and dropped it straight into Kling 3.0 motion control. And that is exactly how I build my characters from scratch. And that is the absolute simplest way to use Kling 3.0 motion control. Consider subscribing for more AI tutorials and I'll see you in the next one.